then when we get this finished?
Well, how about you start a time lapse of us building?
Okay, yeah, guys, we'll get back to when we get this thing all the way around.
Okay, so you do not. Okay, so we're going here. So here, why don't you start a time lapse of us building? Just let us build, and then it'll be like maybe 5 minutes for us. It'll be like 1 minute for you guys, since it's a time lapse.
Alright, Hawk, go ahead and get on your end really quick.
Okay, now
here, I'm gonna put
ready.
I'm gonna put 2 more blocks down this way. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna just put my first block down. Are you ready?
Wait.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna pause the video, and I'm gonna put on a little song for you guys, and we're not gonna talk till the whole thing. He's gonna make it a little bit longer really quick, so I will get back with you when I get the song back on. When I get the song on.
And we do not talk.
Alright, guys, we found a video. Alright, guys, I found a video. Right here's YouTube. Roblox is right down here. Right there it is. We found a video, a song. We are gonna play it for you guys, and we're gonna do this because it might take a while, right, Hawk?
So before we do this, I have a question. I've got a song, and you've got your songs, but I've got a song that's one song repeating for an hour, but we won't need it for an hour. So,
yeah.
Do you want to play that? And it's a Roblox song. So,
yeah, we'll see how the folks like this one first. It's going through cycles, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like and comment down below. Alright, here we go.
We've been playing in Roblox since we were young, and we can't stop. Wow, if we tried to fight crime right now, I don't think that we could work it out in the front lawn, thinking about the world and our small town. Could I let you fight by yourself while I'm searching for something else? If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could be anything. We'll fight like we are brothers. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll make it out of anything. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. From our silhouette trying to tear us. We're breathing the air of this good town. On our own chosen path, we were killing it. Training hard with the powers we were gifted with. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could be anything. We'll fight like we are brothers. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll make it out of anything. Let's show them we are better.
Let's show them we are, show them we are, show them we are, show them we are.
We could do this forever. Playing in Roblox. We could do this forever. Let's show them we are better. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could be anything. We'll fight like we are brothers. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll make it out of anything. Let's show them we are better. Slaying Roblox. We were slaying Roblox. We were slaying Roblox. We were slaying Roblox. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. If we go down, let's show them we are better. If we go down.
Alright guys, we have finished the round thing, right, Huck?
Huh?
We have finished the circle thing. Now we are going to be filling this in. I think now, so you guys don't have to watch this whole thing, I think we're just going to have to, I'll play it and then I'll stop the song. And I will tell you guys that I'll be back. We'll get back to you guys when we get done. After this, I'll play this. As soon as we get a little bit done, I will pause the song and tell you guys we'll see you guys when we get done. Great idea, great idea, Hawk.
What?
Alright, we're gonna be playing the song again, and we are gonna be after we do a little bit, I'm gonna be pausing the video. I just told him this. Pause the video, and I will tell him that we'll be right back with them when we get done filling it in after the song.
What I was thinking, since it is a thing, I would just start a time lapse on this whole thing, because it's, what's the point in watching it if you don't?
Yeah, we'll start after the video.
I know, but we say the video.
Alright guys, I'm gonna start a time lapse. We'll be done in here in a little bit. Here we go.
Let's show them we are better. If we go down, let's show them we are better. We could do this forever. Since we were young and we can't stop, wow. If we tried to fight crime right now, I don't think that we could work it out in the front lawn. Thinking about the world and our small town. Could I let you know that we are better?
Alright, let's go.
Is the video paused?
Let's show them we are better.
No?
No, so let's go.
We could do this forever. Playing Roblox. Defeating all the warlocks, you look so proud. Standing there with a mask and a bayonet, making the bad guys run from our silhouette. Trying to tear us. We're breathing the air of this good town. On our own chosen path, we were killing it. Training hard with the powers we were gifted with. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could be anything. We'll fight like we are brothers. If we go show them we are better.
Let's show them we are, show them we are, show them we are, show them we are.
We could do this forever, playing in Roblox. We could do this forever. Let's show them we are better. If we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could be anything. We'll fight like we are brothers. If we go down, then we go down together. We'll make it out of anything. Let's show them we are better. Slaying Roblox. We were slaying Roblox. We were slaying Roblox. We were slaying Roblox. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. Let's show them we are better. If we go down, let's show them we are better. If we go down, let's show them we are better. If we go down, let's show them we are better. We could do this forever. We've been playing in Roblox since we were young, and we can't stop. Wow, if we tried to fight crime right here's right before my eyes, he swings his sword, the end is nigh. Wow, I'm waking up, I feel it in my veins, going back for my remains. Welcome to the new stage, to the new stage. Welcome to the new stage, to the new stage. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm redstone active, I'm redstone active. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm redstone active, I'm redstone active. I raise my pick, put on my clothes. It's a revolution, I suppose. I'll paint them red, the fight is on. Wow. Here I come, back from gone, but once again thrown back to spawn. This is it, I've had enough. Wow, I'm waking up, I feel it in my veins, going back for my remains. Welcome to the new stage, to the new stage. Welcome to the new stage, to the new stage. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm redstone active, I'm redstone active. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm redstone active, I'm redstone active. All systems up, the hope hasn't gone. Deep in my heart, revenge dwells inside. I feel it in my bones, enough to make my systems blow. Welcome to the new stage, to the new stage. Welcome to the new stage, to the new stage. Wow, 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 wow. I'm redstone active, I'm redstone active. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm redstone active, I'm redstone active.